All right, guys, we got a BRZ in the shop. I love these cars. This car is beautiful, actually. You might want to take a look at it if you can see. Got some raised wheels on it. Spoiler's pretty cool. Ray Rays, as Chris calls them. What exhaust is that? Ready?
HKS.
HKS, catback exhaust. This is a really nice car.
HKS intake.
And I guess this is an aftermarket diffuser because that doesn't look stock. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, it goes all down the side. Right?
Yeah. Oh, it's fiberglass.
Oh. We just did some KTS camber arms, right, Chris? Camber arms?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we had KTS camber arms in stock. The customer wanted to dial out the camber. So we decided to throw those in before we did the alignment. And now we're just dialing in the alignment. He had specs he needed, I guess?
2.5 degrees of camber in the
Two
rear.
2.5 degrees of camber in the rear. So 2.5 degrees of camber in the rear and 3 degrees in the front.
I printed it if you want to look at it.
Oh, let's go look at it. He does like track racing, right? Like he doesn't drift this car.
No.
Yeah.
He wants to try it.
He wants to try drifting?
Yeah.
3 degrees of camber in the front, 2.5 in the rear, 0 toe all around, and just 5.5 degrees of caster in the front. I mean, he could drift his car like this, but I think he's got really nice tires on it, so he's gonna have to change that. Other than that, I mean, man, drifting's drifting. You can drift with any alignment setup, it doesn't really matter. As we are an alignment shop. No, you need to get an alignment. Make sure you get your alignment. But like, if you had to, it's not a big deal. The only difference between this alignment and drift alignment would be like 5 degrees of camber in the front, 4.5, 5 degrees of camber in the front, maybe some slight toe out, maybe more toe in the rear. Yeah. Did Chris, tell you why he wanted 0 toe all around or no?
That's what all the track guys do.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what's that? He's got like some kind of oil cooler in here.
Yeah, I think that's also HKS.
That's cool. All right, we just want to show you guys this car. What's up, guys? Don't forget, we are giving away a Thrash Racing seat of your choosing. Anything from the Pro Spec Sigma to the Gamma to the Beta. We got all the seats here. We got a lot in stock, and if we don't have it in stock, you can special order it and it'll come on the next container. Every $5 spent is 1 entry, and Faction Motorsports branded parts and merch are double entries. So make sure you get those orders in on the website for a chance to win a Thrash Racing seat.